Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm Monica, and for this video I will have another unboxing. This time is gonna be a Birchbox limited edition box, but before of that let's go ahead and call the channel of the day, which today is CNC. I'll leave her link down below so you guys can support each other. Beautiful girl, great content on her channel. CNC, I'll leave the link as I said. So let's go ahead now and see what's in this limited edition box, which is called Birchbox and Vogue. And actually the name of this is Birchbox and Vogue Trans. The box looks like this. It's white with silver print. I like the limited edition boxes from Birchbox because they are great for storage. So part of my collection are in those boxes, and it comes with cards. This is the first one, and this is the second card with the information about the box, and on the back we have the products. So I don't see prices here, just how to use the product. So let's go ahead and see the first one. Here is the box inside, and the first product, it's a full size, and this one is from Milk Makeup, which looks like this. Milk send all the time, it's the blur stick, send all the time their products in those protective plastic boxes. So this one, about this one, is the blur stick. Who needs a filter when you have this colorless matte silicone and oil-free stick? So it's to minimize pores, smooth fine lines, and doubles as an excellent primer under makeup. So it's a good one to try. I used a while ago some products from Milk. I don't even remember if I used the primer, but we'll try this. Then the second item in here is from Briogeo, and is this one. Don't despair, repair. This one is deep conditioning hair cap system, 2-in-1 kit. So step 1 and 2. I think in the Cold Beauty I got another one of this because this one looks familiar to me. And regarding this one, it says to massage the mask into freshly washed hair for 30 seconds, apply the cap and let the treatment sit for 15 minutes, rinse and style as usual. So yeah, it's this hair mask. Then we have a face mask, I believe. This one is Saturday Skin, looks like this. It's a brightening mask. And this is from Spotlight. It's brightening mask. Nothing else about this one. Let's see what the card says. This biocellulose mask adapts to the contour of your face and brighten up your complexion with dark spot reducing. So we'll try this one too. Then we have from Babor, or whatever how you call this, is this one. And this one is a serum. It's a hydrating ampoule concentrates, perfect glow. We get in this one 7 vials like this. I remember in a glassy box a while ago was another set from very similar with this one. I didn't try that yet, maybe it's about time, but this is another great item here. And this one is supposed to use it daily. So anyway, another product in here, it's from Huxley. We just talked about this one a little in another video about the brand. This is Secret of Sahara Essence. I love essences because I used to use an essence all the time before my regular serum. So I'm happy to have a full size one. This one looks like this. and also Huxley is a good Korean brand, so not bad to have this in the box. It's 30 mils. And do we have something else? I see 2 more products in here, and I think that's kind of wool. So one of them is from MAC. It's a retro matte lipstick, and this one is in the shade Ruby Woo. I believe I have this one open already, so I'm not gonna open this one because probably I will put this one in a giveaway, so I'm not gonna swatch this one, not even opening. And speaking about lipsticks, I was watching a while ago a video with somebody had a haul. One of the products that she was showing was a lipstick. She opened that product, she was swatching on her hand, applied to her lips, look in the mirror and say, oh, this doesn't look very good on my lips, I'll put this in a giveaway. And I was like, what? Come on guys, you cannot do this. You cannot use a product and then put it in a giveaway. It's just gross. So anyway, usually when I'm buying things for giveaways, I don't even like to open the packaging because it might break and it doesn't look nice. So anyway, just saying. And the last product in here, it's a mascara from Yves Saint Laurent. This one is 7. I'm the Storm. It's mascara top coat, sparkling top coat mascara. Okay, looks like the packaging looks like this. I never heard about this. Wow, look at this. Can you see that? It's a mascara. Yeah, it says it's a mascara. Anyway. And here is the wand. You can see the sparkle even on the wand too. So I'm very curious to try this one. So yeah, that's all in this box. So far I like the box. It's one of their best boxes. I'm curious about this. This one is a full size, and believe me, those are not cheap products. It's a full size mascara. This one is for volumizing, lengthening, and it has a little bit glitter. I saw a little bit more glitter, but anyway, it's a full size mascara. We have a full size serum, which I'm really happy about. We have a full size MAC lipstick, and for some reason this color comes in all the boxes, because I believe I got this in samples also, the Ruby Woo. Anyway, keep this for a giveaway. Then we have the serum from Babor, if I'm saying right, 7 of them. We have a face mask, we have a hair mask, and we have a full-size makeup primer. So good box. I don't know, what do you think about this box? Let me know in the comments down below, and I'll also leave the information and the link to the site. I think it's a good box for the price, whatever. How was the price? How much was that price? But we have great items, good brands. So the most exciting item in this box for me, and you let me know what do you think, what item do you like from this box. It's hard to say, but I think it's the essence, the Huxley Secret of Sahara essence. So yeah, that's all for this video. Before I'm leaving, I'll call again the channel of the day, which is CNC. I'll leave the link down below. Please support each other, and I'll see you soon with another unboxing, which is gonna be another small haul from Birchbox. Also those Discover kits, I will have 3 of them. So yeah, I'll see you soon. You have a great day, a great weekend pretty soon. Depend when I'm posting this, so it might be tomorrow, it might be a day after tomorrow, but anyway, you have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.